Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
On-air updates, we've got a story that's going to resonate with music fans across the country. Live Nation, one of the biggest concert giants in the U.S., is now making a last-ditch effort to overturn a ruling that's been shaking up the ticketing industry. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit handed down a scathing decision just last October, stating that Live Nation's arbitration agreements with its customers were so dense, convoluted, and internally contradictory, they're effectively unintelligible. This ruling effectively blocked Live Nation from enforcing these agreements, which required fans to resolve disputes through private arbitration. The company's lawyers claim this would create massive uncertainty for the industry as a whole, and that reversing this decision would be crucial in preventing what they describe as abusive strategies by mass arbitration plaintiffs who rack up procedural costs to force defendants to settle. They're essentially saying that if this ruling stands, it could lead to a lot of chaos in terms of how companies handle disputes. The roots of this case go back to 2022, when hundreds of thousands, possibly even millions of ticket buyers sued Live Nation and Ticketmaster, alleging the pair had monopolized the market for concert tickets and were engaging in predatory behavior. In response, Live Nation argued that fans had waived their right to sue by signing these arbitration agreements. But what's striking about this case is not just the sheer number of people affected, but also the depth of criticism directed at Live Nation's arbitration processes. The appeals court described them as poorly drafted and riddled with typos, a far cry from the transparency expected in such arrangements. Now, Live Nation has taken their appeal all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, asking for it to reverse this ruling that they claim exhibits what amounts to judicial hostility towards private arbitration. They say it would have far-reaching consequences if this decision stands and could block sensible measures for addressing mass arbitration filings. As we wait to see how the Supreme Court responds, one thing's clear: Live Nation is not going down without a fight, but this battle may ultimately be about more than just ticket prices. It's about the future of consumer protection in the U.S.